Welcome to the funeral program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. In this video, we are featuring our Primrose funeral program template design. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This enables us to continue making great content to equip you during a time of loss. The design for this funeral program is presented with a watercolor bouquet of lavender rosebuds set upon a clean, white background. The main colors presented in this design are lavender or light purple hues. The florals are set on the top of the front cover in an interesting arched presentation. The back of the program offers a smaller bouquet of coordinating flowers accent beneath your personalized text. The inside of the program continues the floral-inspired design, with a duet of roses accented on the bottom left and right sides. The minimal floral embellishments highlights your content, where you can place your order of service, poetry, or obituary information. This is a perfect choice for either a special grandmother, mother, aunt, sister, or friend. You can find this template within our DIY Templates floral collection. We provide filler text within the entire template to help guide you along, but you are free to edit and change it as desired. There is a photo box on the cover and text boxes on the back and inside pages. You are able to change the shape of the photo box and can insert additional photos anywhere within the template, if desired. The funeral program title image included in this template reads, "Celebrating the life of." You are free to change it if desired by removing it and creating your own text box using fonts from your computer. The program prints on 8.5 by 11 inches or letter size paper, front and back. The program folds directly down the center and measures 5.5 inches wide by 8.5 inches in height, when folded. Our template is expandable to unlimited pages with all fields editable. This purchase is an immediate download which includes template formats for Word, Publisher, Apple Pages, and Google Docs. Our Primrose design is offered in this traditional letter bifold program and many other styles. Order this funeral program template today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.